If you brought home a 60-year-old foreigner, how do you think your family would react? Would you lie about his age to make him seem younger to your family or friends? If your family disapproves, what could you do to win them over? What's your name and how old are you?
Eunice po, 26 years old.
You don't look like you're 26 years old, Eunice. You have a baby face. You look younger. If you brought home a 60-year-old foreigner, how do you think your family would react?
At first, of course, they will question my standards because I'm still young and dating a 60 years old is not, it's not, it's hard. The beliefs are not the same. The responsibilities of a 60 years old is different from a 26-year-old woman.
Would you lie about his age to make him seem younger to your family or friends?
Definitely no, kasi if you want your family to accept your partner, of course you need to tell them the truth. Hiding the age of your partner will just complicate things even more.
If your family disapproves, what could he do to win them over?
I think he needs to prove his wealth, of course. It's not easy to live in the society. He needs to be financially stable and he needs to be responsible, loyal, truthful. Kasi there are a lot of, not just foreigners, I think it's found everywhere you go na they will just use you for their pleasure, for other things rather than love and partnership.
What worries you most about dating someone much older?
Like I said, the level of responsibility. Dating a 60 years old is very different. Your morals are also different. When you date someone different from your generation, there will be a lot of differences. There will be complications, consequences, and maybe there will be a lot of disagreements because you were born in different generations.
In the future, you wouldn't date a 60-year-old?
Maybe no. Maybe younger, maybe around 30, 40, pero 60 years old is very different. Especially yung health complications nila. I do not want to marry someone who will die ahead of me, many, many years ahead of me. Kasi dating a mature man is parang you're grounded.
Dating a young, much older guy, you're more grounded.
You're grounded. Saka someone will guide you with your decisions.
Okay. You're 26, so you're working now, right?
Fresh grad.
Fresh graduate. May we know what is your...
Dentistry.
Oh, that's why you have beautiful teeth. What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Chloe and I'm 23 years old po.
Chloe, the first question is, if you brought home a 60-year-old foreigner, how do you think your family would react?
I think my family would be surprised because I have a family that is very conservative and also in our family, I think there's no one po na foreigner pa. And siguro po mas okay.
English.
Okay. I think they would appreciate po if I brought home na local po or Filipino.
Would you lie about his age to make him seem younger to your family or friends?
I think no for me po because my family would be interested po if I tell them the truth and also if given a chance I will let them know his yung real information po to get to know him po deeply.
If your family disapproves, what could he do to win them over?
Um, I let my man to prove himself instead of giving him suggestions or like yung mga actions po to get my family's heart po.
Like for example,
Like spending his time with my family during gatherings.
like gatherings, very important, right? Gatherings.
It's all about quality time with my family.
Okay. What worries you most about dating someone much older?
Given the fact the age gap, I think there's a generation barrier po. Also, there is stereotype that if if we dated a younger man,
Younger or older?
older man, I sorry, there's um difficulty po in understanding one another because of the emotional capacity and capability as well as yung financial stability po.
Financial stability. Why? What's with the financial stability?
I think given with my age right now, I am not yet ready to fulfill in my future. I'm focused po in my studies pa. And if I dated a older man, I don't see myself achieving my life.
Oh, you're 23.
Yes, given my profession, chosen profession din po, which is nursing.
Oh, nurse. So you want to work first before you settle down. Okay. Well, if he is older, definitely he wants someone who is like wife material stable, like who just wants to, a wife that wants to stay at home, take care of the family. And you, given you're also nursing student and you're 23, you wanna build a career for yourself first.
Yeah, I want to work and explore more beyond my career, and also I want to discover what's beyond my nursing profession.
What age do you see yourself you're ready to settle down? You're 23 now.
I think my target age po would be 29.
29. Okay, 29. Nursing student. Okay. We've been trying, so we've been here for like over an hour. We've been trying to interview parents, older parents, and we couldn't interview. So thank you so much for, because she agreed to be interviewed. We've been really trying our best. We want to interview parents because we really want to get their opinion about this topic. But yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for your honesty, Beth. What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, I am 26 and I'm Janeth.
If you brought home a 60-year-old foreigner, how do you think your family would react?
Okay, I think since I grew up in a family where it is old fashioned and really conservative, I think that my family would react in a way that they would really question me of my choices, right? Because I know and I believe that as a woman and as a Filipino, we shouldn't just like rely on people that a lot of people in our society would like to think like may another Filipina nga ahon ulit sa kahirapan, like the social term on Filipina who are always associated with foreigners in a dating apps and everything, like in a relationships like that.
So do you think your family would react like why him? Are you doing it for money? Like the other people, like
I think they would like to ask like, are you really sure about that? Because in your position, in your status in life, you can really have another one that is not that old enough. And if you really want to be in a relationship, is it really worth it to be in a relationship with a really old man or just a Filipino that is also at the same age as you are, or other foreigner that at the same age as you are, not that really old man? Because my family would also think of the discrimination that I might have, or that other people might show on to me like that.
okay, so the discrimination.
Yes.
Would you lie about his age to make him seem younger to your family or friends?
No, I would be really honest about it, because if it's really true love and if I'm really into it, for example, I really fall in love with that person, particularly an old man, a foreigner, I would not lie just because I would like my family and friends to just accept it. Because I know that somehow it should be starting from me. I should have to accept it on my own so that my family and friends would accept it too.
Okay, if your family disapproves, what could he do to win them over?
I think that as a Filipina, again, and as we are in a traditional way, I think that he will win me and my family in a way na he will do such haranas or the tradition in here in the Philippines, that old custom like doing household chores with your family, visiting your parents, like pursuing your parents first before you, like that.
So let's say he is a 60-year-old foreigner. First is he will do the harana, like he's going to their home and then he's gonna sing. And then second is do the household chores, you said. So he's going to be doing the dishes like that, for example, or anything.
That he can do like that.
Okay. And by those, your family would.
Yeah, eventually will agree about it.
Okay. What worries you most about dating someone much older?
That they are scum, or they are not the people that behind that profile, or maybe they're using other names and then they are not the real person that I'm talking to. So maybe they are just faking, or maybe they are not the real people that I'm talking to. That's the thing that I'm afraid of.
Okay.
In dealing with people that I don't know about, or in risking something that I am not into.
Okay, interesting. Just like the other foreigners who are scared of being scammed here in the Philippines, the same thing.
Yeah.
That okay. Okay. You mentioned earlier about your family would be shocked if you brought home a 60-year-old foreigner. I would like to ask you, what's your opinion about Filipinas, younger Filipinas, let's say your age, dating someone who is 60-year-old? What's your opinion about that?
I think for me, it's real fine if you would like to date a 60-year-old man, because I don't really mind if you would like to be in a relationship with an older guy. I just worried about how people and the society will react on it, because a lot of people would just definitely say that they're just after the money of that old guy. So I'm more worried about the Filipina who would gather a lot of discrimination and stereotyping, everything that harsh comments might thrown up to her. So I think that, in my opinion, just love, and if you really love that person, if you really want to risk everything and you are really into that person, just go with it. Don't mind other people sayings or opinions, as long as you don't harm or do anything that may harm other people too. Just be true to yourself. If you really want to be with that person, then go with it. Just be with it. Yeah.
How about you? Would you ever date a 60-year-old foreigner?
No, I haven't. Yes, and I have no idea of it. And I don't think that I might do or try it. Yeah.
Because of the discrimination.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What's the oldest you would date? The oldest.
The oldest, I guess, 35 to 40. Yeah, 30, 40.
And you are 26 years old. Yeah, you're still studying? What course are you?
I'm studying a Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies. Can I say Miss School? Yeah, at Naga College Foundation, yeah.
That's why her English is good. Yes. That explains why. You're welcome at 26 years old. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. And your honesty, of course. Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. Hopefully, we earn your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Beautiful reflection